everyone, my name's Shayna. I'm a certified audiologist at Webster Street Hearing Boutique, a full-service hearing clinic in Kentville, Nova Scotia. Do you have difficulty hearing in noisy environments or on the telephone? Do people complain that your TV is too loud, or do you find that you're turning the volume up more than before? Do you feel that speech is muffled, unclear, or that people mumble often? Do you hear a ringing, buzzing, or any other sound in one or both of your ears? Do you find yourself withdrawing from social situations or activities you once loved? If you answered yes to any of these questions, you should consider having your hearing tested. If it's been more than 2 years since your last hearing test, or you noticed any changes in your hearing, we recommend coming in for a full hearing assessment. Hearing assessments are easy, non-invasive, and take less than an hour. For more information about our services or how to book an appointment, visit our website at thehearingboutique.ca or click the link in the description. So don't wait. Let's start your journey to a life with better hearing today.